Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video where I elaborated about what is Pega, we saw an example about customer visiting the service center to sort out the mobile connection issue. I hope you remember it. In that video we talked about business workflow. I previously said that business may have several workflows for its day-to-day operations. So those workflows can be represented by case types in Pega. Let's explore how to create case type in Pega. On your left, you can find case types. So click on the case type. When you click on the case types, you will find these options. Here you have add a case type. Click on add case type. It will take, based upon the connection and based upon the service response, it will pop up an window like this, a model dialog, where you can enter the case type name. So I'm going to name it as a reconnection request. We will discuss about the naming conventions later. For now, just like on the flow, just understand the steps for creating a case type. If you expand the advanced settings, it will show you for the options what is the hierarchy. Again, for this we will have a different video. For now, just focus on the name alone. Click on submit. Once you click on submit, case designer will open. It just created the case type. So you see here, right, the reconnection request, that is the name that we gave for this case type. Now we are left with the choices. We can add different stages to this particular case type. Do you want to know what is a stage? So we just saw about case type, and in that we saw about stage. So we will see it with our example. Let's go back to our example. Stage is nothing but milestone in the business process. In other words, it is a group of steps in a business process. Here, stage represents the group of steps like verify user, criticality, and log complaint under the stage name called register request. I hope you understood about stage. For
So
this,
let's open the reconnection request that we just created. From the case types, if we click on case type, you can find the reconnection request. Click on it. So it will open. We just created this case type, right? So here we find the first stage. So our first stage is register request in our example. Let's try to rename it. Register request is the first stage, and let's add that name. Now parallelly we will also add the step names. The first step in our example was verify user. Okay, just name it verify user. The second step was access issue. Okay, just if you click on plus icon, it will open access issue. Then click on this. It will try to open one more step, log complaint. Okay, so we are done with our first stage. Likewise, we can keep on adding the rest of the stages in our example. Just for the sake, I will add the second stage as well. The second stage in our example is collect details. So let's add collect details. Okay, so this is it. This is the stage. Register request is the stage, and these are the steps, the collection of steps. And finally, click on save. You can even use the keyboard shortcut Control plus yes.
So now we just saw about case type, stages, and steps. Hope you are clear about these three topics today. See you soon with another video.